Check this out guys, this is a bubble machine B300 by Beamz. Inside the box you will get instructions, super simple to set up. Different kind of cool LED products by Beamz. You get a power adapter, one remote control to stop and start the machine. A or B is to start and C or D are to stop. It's super lightweight, weighs around 1.5 kg. Good amount of bubble dispenser loops. Make sure the power is switched off during refilling. At the back you got the power input. The red switch can be used if you lose the remote. And you got the power on and off switch. Unscrew this and open the head flap. You can get this bubble solution from Poundland. At first I directly added the solution straight in, not knowing that you can mix it with water. So I'm just going to quickly test this out. Best to place this at a good height for the bubbles to shoot and fly out. In the end, make sure to clean it out once you're done, as I left this to dry without cleaning and now it's full of residue. I've just added warm water to break it apart. And even though you switch it on, it still gives out bubbles. So even using a small amount of solution with majority of it being water can give you great amount of bubbles. Overall, it's a fun machine to have on any occasion. Have fun, peace.